Alright, this video is gonna be about me and this kid, Diego, eating quesadillas and rice. Alright, Diego, you take the first bite of the rice. Yeah, you was going and it wasn't even in your mouth. Sorry, he's weird. Alright, it's my turn.
How much beef did you How much beef did you eat?
Dude, I'm joking. Dude, I'm freaking joking.
You ate too much.
Dude, literally, I was choking on the food.
Okay.
Nah, shut up, Diego. Yo, he has like the cheesiest.
How much beef have you ate, man?
I haven't.
Right there, that was embarrassing.
Quesadillas are good, really good.
Don't ignore me like that.
Alright, tell me, wait. So, how's your food, Diego? I already heard him. He said it's
You
delicious.
seriously are asking me that dumb question?
He likes every food. Don't worry. He eats anything he sees.
So you tell me that I eat crap
No.
and I ate a whole cow and I can eat even that?
What's that?
Fuck you!
What's that?
It's a place that has balls and flowers.
Interesting. Let's eat here. Let's enjoy this food.
How it was.
It's really delicious.
No, it ain't.
I like it.
I don't.
Probably because someone can't cook.
What do you mean? You're the only one that did the cheese. And I did the rest.
What do you mean you did the rest? We just warmed up the
Dipshit.
rice. We only warmed up the rice.
Who do you think that made the quesadillas, huh? Me!
Ah, dude, you're literally spitting on me.
Shit cocks.
Alright.
This is like puppy.
I love this food.
I love it more.
Diego's really competitive. Okay. Oh, look at that. Who is that? What is the surprise? Lulu.
Dude, you just said, who is that? And you just said, Lulu. What?
Sorry. He's really mental.
This guy plays Minecraft. Like those damn apples. Either way, I played it a little bit. Because he bragged about it.
Oh, Lulu. That was really funny. Lulu was like right there just popping her head and then woo. Now she's over here. Ooh. He's gonna pop out right there. Oh, I knew it. I knew it. Scare her, Diego. Oh, now she's gonna be over here. Wait, where is she? Where did she go? Oh, there she is. Oh, she's really happy. She's wagging her tail. Oh, okay. Diego, are you giving... Diego's gonna give her food eventually from his spoon. He doesn't really care actually.
Lulu, come up here.
Watch this, watch this, watch this.
Eat some. Come. No, don't eat all of it.
See, he doesn't care.
No, don't eat all of it.
He'll
No, I don't want
still
you to eat all of it. Stay there.
He's the craziest guy in the world. He'll still eat his food. He eats dog food. Yeah, he's really weird. So this video is supposedly about people being really weird. People, I mean, someone specifically. Calm down, man. Calm down. Like specifically, I mean us. We're crazy.
Dumbass.
So,
Just so you know, he's meant to.
hey, gum. Hey, what are you doing, huh? You want to eat from my food, huh? No, no, stay back, stay back. No, no, Lulu, no. What you want? You want food? You want quesadilla? Yeah, you want it.
Don't treat my dog like that, alright?
Yeah. Well, you take her for walks a lot?
Huh?
I thought you didn't even play with your dog.
I do.
Oh.
Just that you're never here.
Because whenever I'm here, Lulu's just alone in the backyard in the dark, raining. Alone, sad, crying. That's usually what I see.
You know why I see? And I want to see? You getting crushed like this.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and that's gonna happen like in 2 minutes right now.
Oh, look at her. Where did she go? Next thing you know, she's going to be up there. Ah, that light's strong. She's again over there. Hey, Lulu. You want the quesadilla? There she is. You want it. I know you want it.
No!
Am I? What you doing? Now I'm British, guys. It's my British accent. So, deal with it. I'm like, how you looking your food, huh?
Good, mate.
Yeah, he's not really good. No. We like a spot of tea after this excellent food.
Yes, mate.
Eat with your mouth closed. Us British have to be elegant. He doesn't know what to say. Just say, okay.
Okay. Oh, and I think I just saw you picking your nose. I
No.
think that is not elegant.
I was going like this, Diego.
No, you aren't. You go like this. Yeah, I'm picking my nose. How elegant. You want to eat some
You
burgers?
pronounced it wrong. Elegant. Elegant. Oh my God, she's right there.
When you're not my dad, my
What do you want?
damn goddamn.
Yeah, this video.
You ain't my goddamn dad. So back away, girl.
Now I can touch his
Hey, look.
I like doing that.
You don't even do it.
You want me to do it?
Yes, mate.
Alright, mate. It's gonna be fun. I've never done it. Hey, Lou! Oh, crap. There's your food.
Okay, stop it. She might take a shit in the middle of the night.
What do you mean take a shit in the middle of the night?
She pisses on the carpet. She does a lot of crap.
By the way, this video isn't about Diego. It's about both. That was funny. It's about us.
No.
No, Diego, you're not.
Let's out.
This video's done.